Hello, in front of me I have Mibro Air smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to use this method of factory reset, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired, open the Mibro Fit application on your phone. In the app, you should see the equipment, or rather homepage, my bad. Now tap on the equipment icon. Here you should see the Mibro Air connected to your phone. Basically, it should be on the list. It should say connected. Now scroll down, find the reset option and tap on it. Then tap on determine and wait. And once you see the QR code on the screen of the watch, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.